Hello there, it has been a while, hasn't it? I am Perian and I am back on this incredible platform after nearly 4 years of adventures in the digital world. During my time away, I've been immersed in the world of app development, creating some groundbreaking solutions, and I can't wait to share those things with you. Trust me, it's worth your wait. On the personal front, life been a roller coaster ride. My family, my biggest source of inspiration, has grown, and there are exciting secrets I'll reveal in due time. So why am I back? Well, let's just say that there is something big on the horizon and I couldn't stay away any longer. Keep your eyes peeled for what's coming, it's gonna be amazing. Join me on this new chapter of my life, where we'll explore the blend of my professional and personal world. There is so much I want to share with you, and I can't wait to reconnect. Get ready for a thrilling journey ahead. Stay tuned for more updates and some exciting surprises. The adventure is about to begin, and I'm going to share with you behind the scenes of app development, how I get to build MoneyCoach and other world-class apps. Ciao, until next time.